Red rice and sambar. Boil the red rice in adequate water with some salt, pandan leaf and cooking oil. The oil ensures that the rice grains don't stick to each other. When it's ready, add some ghee. To cook sambar, boil the vegetables in a pot with adequate water and some salt. In another pot, boil yellow moong dal. Heat oil in another pan and add all the spices: black peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, star spice, mustard seeds. Saute well. Finely chopped ginger, curry leaves. Lower the flame and saute well. Add turmeric powder, salt to taste, asafoetida, bay leaves. Add the boiled yellow moong dal and add the boiled vegetables. Now add kokum, which has been soaked in water, some jaggery, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, add desiccated fenugreek leaves. Finally add boiled drumsticks, and sambar is ready to serve. Garnish with coriander leaves.